Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix KakaoTalk login problem. So one of the major issues for this problem would be if your app isn't updated to its latest version. So to begin with the steps, first of all, launch your App Store or Google Play Store according to your mobile device, if it's an iOS device or an Android device. In my case, I'm just going to launch App Store on my mobile phone. Here we go. Now go to the search and search for KakaoTalk. Here we go. Now just tap on the application and make sure that you don't see the option of update instead of open. If you see the option of update, just tap on it and make sure that your application is updated to its latest version. Now let's proceed to another step to fix your issue. So open settings on your mobile device and then tap on General in case you are using an iOS device. Now, select the option of iPhone storage. Now, once you are here, scroll down below and search for KakaoTalk and then tap on the app. Now, once you are here, you can see the option of Offload app. Just tap on it. Tap on Offload app again. By doing this step, you'll be able to clear cache from the application. Now, wait for some time before you tap on Reinstall app. Now, let's tap on Reinstall application. Well, reinstalling may take some time, so you may have to wait a while. And by doing these steps, you will be able to fix your issue. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos.